Hello everyone, David from Vogelsang Ireland. Today we are on the farm of Stephen and Paddy Lawler in Kentstown in County Meath, where we will take a guided tour and walk around of their recently installed Vogelsang XSplit Slurry separation system. So here in front of me we have our VX136105 feed pump, which sucks the slurry from the reception tank here into a stone box that has internal baffle plates to catch all the heavy objects. It transports the slurry through the pump down into a pipe here underground, which then transports the slurry up to the separator, which is approximately 50 metres away. So what we have here with our pump, we have a 3-phase direct inline 5.5 kilowatt powered motor to the pump. The pump itself has a forward and reverse option, which is very good for, let's say, little objects that might come into the pump, that you can reverse them out of it should they come into it, and also for cleaning and maintenance as well. You can reverse the liquid back out, leaves it very clean and easy to work with. We also have the option of increasing the speed and reducing the speed depending on the output that the farmer wants to have. It's a very simple process, works really well, and we'll now take a closer look at the separator in action. So now we'll take a walk through our Vogelsang XSplit Slurry separator. This particular machine has an output capacity of 50 metres cubed. It has the potential to dry the dry solid from 0 to 40% dry matter content. It is a basic overflow system setup with a 2-metre high overflow pipe. So any slurry that the separator gets, any excess slurry is recirculated and goes back out to the neighbouring tank beside us here. So it's 50 cube an hour, which is approximately 12,000 gallons. As we look here now, we looked at the dry matter content. This dry matter content has been tested out to about 31% dry matter, which is what the farmer specifically requested. They're using this as an organic material to use back out on maize ground and grassland and things like that. So that's an ideal product for them to work with. The separated liquid then is transported to a lagoon which is next door, and then the separated liquid then is used then for, it's a nutrient-rich, available organic fertiliser then that will allow the farmer to reduce his emissions overall in the farm, reduce his chemical fertiliser input, and more importantly then, the silage and grass that he's bringing back onto the farm here is clean, it's not contaminated, so it's not having any issues with herd health or, let's say, spoiled feedstocks during the winter time. The separator itself is TAMS-approved, and all the components on the system here, the separator, pumps and all the auxiliary pieces of equipment are all Vogelsang manufactured by our team in the factory in Germany, and it's also fully backed up by a local dedicated team of people on the ground here with Vogelsang Ireland. So we'll take a look at the dry solid that's here on the farm. As we were saying, the setting on the separator is set about midway 50%, and this particular solid is tested out at about 31% dry matter, and as you can see when we squeeze it in our hands, there is no liquid coming back out. So this is a lovely fibre to work with. It's very light and easily transported, and it's also a lovely fibre to be spread back out in the ground. It's your organic FYM, slow releasing, fibre that's particularly good at building up your soil indexes and your soil health. So we have the separated liquid here, which is the end result out of the separation process. It's a lovely nutrient-rich liquid that has available nutrients in it, and is a lovely liquid to spread as part of a multi-cut system. It can be used to follow your paddocks for your dairy cows. It can be used to spread a lovely even distribution of your nutrients across the whole farm. The fibre content that will be in the liquid will be no more than 2 millimetres in size, and so as you can see, it's a lovely liquid that will dissipate down into the ground, which will reduce the ammonia losses into the atmosphere, and it'll allow maximum uptake by the plant. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you all soon.